Well, we've got one more day, of course, till the weekend and one more round of rain to contend with. And rain is actually something we could use some of because as we check out the drought monitor, not a good situation unfolding for eastern Connecticut, Windham and New London counties, now under moderate drought conditions. And in fact, classified as abnormally dry as far west as the 91 corridor. Now, today we did pick up on some meaningful rain. However, that was across southwestern Connecticut where we saw a swath of 1 to 2 inches. Danbury eclipsing the 2-inch mark, hitting the jackpot here across Connecticut. Another batch of some heavy rain in southwestern portions of Hartford County, but elsewhere, not much at all. So again, we could use a little more rain, and we've got a bit more coming through the overnight hours. Unfortunately, we're not going to put a huge dent in any deficit. So early warning pinpoint Doppler within the borders of Connecticut. We are scanning dry. Some showers off to our north, though, approaching Springfield currently. And it's a mild night. Temps in the low and mid 60s across Connecticut. Pretty uniform. There's our view from Hartford. The visibility dropping just a bit. We've got the low clouds out there, 66 in our capital city. Again, visibility dropping a little bit as well from New Haven. So there's going to be some patchy fog out there, 65 in the Elm City. And as we look at the big picture here, we have the batch of rain that moved through earlier. One disturbance has cleared southern New England. Another one along this boundary to our west will head in our direction. So rain is approaching Scranton, Pennsylvania, eventually crosses the lower Hudson Valley, works across southern New England. While many of us are sleeping, some showers could linger into the morning commute time tomorrow, and then conditions improve markedly as we close out the week. So in advance of that front, we do have temperatures in the upper 60s, even low 70s, 74 right now in the nation's capital here at 11 o'clock at night. And also in advance of that front, still really muggy air. Dew point values close to 70 around Philadelphia. So behind that front as it moves through, you'll notice the decreasing humidity as we close out the week tomorrow. So overnight, perhaps dropping a couple more degrees, upper 50s and low 60s. Some showers, again, will be working across Connecticut. As we head towards, say, 7 o'clock in the morning, there could be some lingering showers at that hour, but for the most part, things will start winding down by the morning commute, and then soon thereafter, the cloud cover clears from west to east. And there's just the slightest chance somewhere in southern New England for a brief isolated shower to pop up late in the day tomorrow. So as we close out the week, we do so with temperatures pushing the mid and upper 70s inland and to the low and mid 70s along the 95 corridor. So sunup is at 5:17 tomorrow, sets at 8:21. So certainly able to see sunset tomorrow. With regard to the tropics, we are monitoring potential tropical cyclone number 1. This is actually some of the remnants from Hurricane Agatha that was back across the Pacific. It crossed, made landfall in Mexico, and now is reorganizing. And as it continues to strengthen and work toward Florida, it's going to eventually take on the name Alex. So first becoming a tropical depression, then tropical storm. Currently sustained winds are at 35 miles an hour. Tropical storm watches up for the Florida peninsula. It will be on the approach to Florida by 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. So by then conditions deteriorating. Looks to be a big rainmaker as well as some gusty wind as it crosses Florida. And then as you see up behind our banner, moving away from the east coast as we head into early next week. So here in Connecticut for the weekend, we're looking beautiful. Low humidity, lots of sunshine, morning lows in the 50s, afternoon highs in the mid and upper 70s inland, mid 70s at the shoreline. If you're spending time outdoors, remember to apply the sunscreen and do so often. We'll start next week dry. Late Tuesday and also Thursday of next week is when we'll see our next chances for showers, perhaps some thunderstorms.
Mark, thank you.